Hello, everyone. My name is Maya Lester, and today I will be giving a brief but hopefully effective overview about imposter syndrome, what it is, and how to help overcome it. Have you ever experienced self doubt about your capabilities or even your capacity to succeed in your current life's journey, despite having external, tangible validations of high achieving accolades, such as one or multiple degrees or even job experience? This is not uncommon, but still not something that is nice to experience. So, here are a few ways to try to combat these feelings when it rears its ugly head. Make it a habit to regularly remind yourself of the soft and tangible accomplishments. One medium is to write them down. This will turn those soft skills, such as emotional intelligence, leadership, critical thinking, into something visual for you to appreciate. Remember, confidence does not equate competence. We so often compare ourselves to those around us, especially the highly confident people that seem like they always have it together, but know that all that matters is that you remember what you do well and make sure to shine in your own way without feeling like you are needing to shine in exactly the same way as others. And lastly, we can be our own worst critics. Uh, so make sure to gain some outside perspective every now and again. A great way to do this is to talk with someone who knows you well and can help you see the things we sometimes overlook in ourselves. So I hope this has been helpful to you in some way. And remember, the sky is vast enough for everyone to be a star.